everybody, it's Randy with Carchaeology. I am in the truck and off on another adventure. I am going in search of Porsche parts. So, quick backstory to this destination I'm going to. There's a company down in Fallbrook, California called California Porsche Restoration. Now, CPR was in business for a long time. They were doing incredible restoration work on vintage Porsche cars. They had an auto sales division. They had a showroom down there that was packed full of some of the coolest Porsches I've ever seen. And every time I went down there for an open house or whatever, I was always impressed with their operation. Now, it turns out a couple years ago, everything went south and they closed up shop. Apparently, there were some major money issues going on there. The owners were pocketing cash for the sale of vehicles that belonged to other people and all sorts of stuff. It just got downright ugly, and apparently they screwed a ton of people. Fortunately, I was totally clear of that, although I do know some people that got caught up in it, and it's just horrible to hear the stories. So, to circle back to today's trip, I caught wind from a friend that they're having an auction down at the facility of Porsche parts. Now, this wasn't advertised really big. It's not something that's being handled by one of the big auction companies. It seems to be this smaller auction house that's kind of in another state, and it looks like what they're auctioning off is some of the parts storage contents that are in a couple of units down at their complex. So there wasn't an itemized list of what was there. When I saw the listing online, it showed some basic photos of shelves full of parts, and I really have no clue what's going to be there. But the fact that they didn't really advertise it like crazy, and the fact that it's also an in-person auction, not an online auction on a Tuesday, well, maybe I've got a chance at getting a deal or two. So come along with me. I'll show you what I see, and maybe at the end I'll be coming home with a full truck full of stuff. We shall see.
Mission goes straight and that makes it right. Take you out to the old ball room. Here's the tires. 2006. Oh shit. Yeah. So what color is it? So
yeah, sorry.
No worries. Okay, I have had a look around at all the stuff that is there up for auction. And there's some good stuff in there, and then there's just some proper junk. Probably the bigger issue, though, is it's hard to tell how they're actually going to auction all this shit off. I mean, the auctioneer just seems to be really kind of disorganized in all of it. He's going to try to auction single items first, I guess, and then lots of stuff. I don't know. It really seems like a proper shit show to me, to be quite honest. And there's really only maybe 10 guys here that are watching. And talking with a few of them, I think a few people are just down here just to watch. I don't think there's much money in the room here. However, I did realize that a handful of the guys that have been looking at the items are ex-employees of this place. In fact, one guy was here that is now doing his own work independently, and he said there's even parts inside there that are for one of his clients' cars that he has at his shop. So it's a real proper mess. I mean, it just is what it is. But it is also just one tiny crumb left from the whole empire that was California Porsche Restoration. So this is kind of the last hurrah, I guess, of what is in there. Undoubtedly, there's some warehouse full of the good stuff, but it isn't here. But still, I think there's an opportunity to potentially get a really good deal on something, maybe some fun, project stuff. Maybe I can buy some Porsche hoods to turn into artwork or something. I don't know. We'll see. I'm here. I might as well watch it all happen and raise my hand and see if something comes home with me. But if I go home empty-handed, I gotta admit, I'm just fine with that. So this guy rolls up in a rental car, walks in, and just starts taking parts and walking out. Now, they called him out on it, obviously, but apparently he was one of the people that got screwed on by them for a car. And it's a drag. It's a real drag that happened, but you don't come and steal parts from an auction, especially after they've already been bid on. And then this rancid part of a Porsche here, that's the cheapest Porsche 911 I've ever seen. It's sold for $50. I don't know what the heck you do with it, but maybe yard art. Now, this big pile of doors here is about 40 doors or more. I ended up buying. Don't ask me why. Don't ask me what I'm going to do with them. Or with all these whale tails and deck lids and a couple boxes of parts. But that is my haul from today's auction. And I'm going to have to go back tomorrow to pick up those doors. But check that out. That one's from a Speedster. In any case, the checkout line was long and they were using my truck as a desk, so I was one of the last ones there. Well, that was pretty fun. Definitely bought more than I really kind of planned on, but I totally expected that to happen, to be honest. So as I suspected, there were some really, really incredible deals there. Stuff was not organized or super well sorted, and the auctioneer did the best with what he had, but it was kind of a messy sale, to be quite honest. I don't know. I think they could have done a lot better with the stuff if they promoted it properly, got an auctioneer in there that knew what he was selling, and that sort of thing. But on the upside, everybody that came here went home with some bargains, and that's super awesome. So I've got the bed of my truck full, a bunch of stuff in the back of the cab, and I'm going to come back with my trailer tomorrow to pick up the doors. Now, the doors, I am going to have to make lemonade out of lemons. This is a wild bunch of doors. There's not a huge demand for doors. I have no idea what the condition is, but most of them are marked as to what they're for, and I'm hoping that I can sell a couple pairs to pay for all of them and then have the rest for free. And what I'm thinking, I might do something really creative with those doors, and possibly some of the whale tails as well. So definitely follow along on my adventures here with the Porsche parts. I will come down tomorrow to grab all the other stuff and share some of that with you as well. But for now, I am tired. It is dark. I am dirty. I am hungry, and I'm on my way home. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed coming along. Keep on digging them up and driving them. Bye-bye.